development rugendo rugende nani Kenya ngeno wera pia de kudabule kudai funa mapesa kwima kama masomero gani These are just divisions of this, but this is the whole of Bugisu. And the awareness we're raising that Masaba Secondary School, for example, has raised very important people in this country. Some have died, some are alive. One of them, I can give an example, is the first home cooker, Wamimbi, studied there. The late Magona mentioned them. Now we also have currently many doctors, many engineers, many accountants, many bankers, mention them. People are struggling in the region, but we have to have a starting point. It's dangerous to assume that we can do all of them together. Namali has its social business doing work. We're also supporting Namali, by the way, if you are not aware. Masaba needs to be, is a secondary school. These are old secondary schools, which we need to go up, so that the other ones which are growing up also can copy from here. We
are looking at how in the past, for example, could walk from Buduuda, they could come from Buginyanya, they could come from all parts of Bugisu to come and study in this great school. So when we do this walk and this trekking, it brings back all those memories of the great school. And this is the time for building the school. This is the time to bring Masaba to its glory, the past glory.